How to make money with affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Learn how to use free traffic from Pinterest and AI technology to make money with affiliate marketing in just 15 minutes a day. Pinterest gets over 1 billion visits per month, with billion of those visits resulting in a purchase. Find a popular Pinterest page and estimate how much traffic goes to their website. Head over to ClickBank or DGStar24 to find affiliate products to promote. Sort by gravity to find the best performing products. Click Promote and create Hoplink to get your affiliate link. Copy and paste it into a notepad for later use. Create a page using DirectMe to add your affiliate links. Customize your page and add your affiliate links as new items. Use ChatGPT to generate content ideas for your Pinterest page. Ask for a 4-step process for each idea. Use Canva to create a Pinterest pin. Search for Pinterest pin and select Create a blank Pinterest pin. Use text to image to generate a realistic image of your product. By following these steps, you can start making money with affiliate marketing on Pinterest. It's easy and only takes 15 minutes a day.